Superintendent of Police Karibhoy Ugiri Prasad haka arpoi terik ulaber ulay thu bakadaw jang Jingshah Pynïap uba Ilius Rindong henyaw po Snem karta haka kanay terik ulaber ha paha maulen arpaw mer kaday namar ka Jingïashun Shimet. Kadkom ka Jingïathu Prasad ka Jing tokit ka baningkong kapanpaw ba uni Rangbah ubaladu no yala ka Jingim uladon haka Jingè kaja bat ki arngot ki Rangbah kiba lasuba bagidon kiti haka ni Jingshah. Kata uba Prince Abraham Seliang life san Snem bat uba social korba hinyop ko ar Snem bat ula benrap shushu ba uba rendong ula don ka Jingïashun ba Shimet bat kini ki Rangbah ki balasuba.
22 night around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case, and also the case under non-po PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Rangbah that Rangbah police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district. Thank you. So far these two accused persons have been forwarded and arrested to the court, but they have not been convicted because investigation is still ongoing, and only after the completion of investigation we'll file the charge sheet against the accused persons.
Hakaway patkaliang umentri beripet ya katanat ka kampo yang kajala uba Preston tensong ulay athuwa ya kayeng dorbar thawan kajala hakasngi ka baar jong ka dorbar mangtingka baki pulit kidang treshik tom halor kania bat ula penti kenaru sya kidukhat kayeng dorbar thawan manle e kabadon kam hadian baladap ya kajeng tokin.
Sir, in this incident, I would like to assure the honourable member and also the members of this August House that the police force are on the job, and now the investigation is on. So I'm sure once the investigation process is completed, we will be able to further take necessary action accordingly. So once again, sir, I thank our honourable member from Rangbah who has shown his concern. And as I said to you, sir, we will also make sure that this instant case is ultimately come to light with justice.
Kumnachu penkema uba rendong ula Sha Pynïap desmon haka kandai tarik ulaber haka ba lalap ya kamet jong u na kalingka hajan kamadan football kasunong arpaw mer paha maulen.